In this video, I'm going to talk about Edge Copilot Vision functionality within Microsoft Edge. Now, I'm in Microsoft Edge browser. As you see over here, the version number for the current release is 124.0.2478. So that's an official build, which is generally available. Now, the feature which I'm going to explain to you is not available in the current GA version, but it is there in the Canary version. But just to navigate to different browser, now I'm going to open Edge in a beta version. So I have this Edge beta version. Over here, the version is 125.0.2535.29. So that functionality doesn't exist in this version as well. And I have this dev version for Microsoft Edge 126.0.2566.1. The final version which I have over here is Microsoft Edge Canary, which is 126.0.2573.0. Now here in this Canary version, which is the like the version whereby the latest development is happening in Microsoft Edge. So you can download that through Microsoft Edge website. Now here in the settings, so I'm going into settings. So if I click on three dots over here and go to the settings, then here if I just type for Copilot, now here you will find a couple of things happening with regards to Copilot. Now if you see over here, the first option is Copilot Vision. Now the Copilot Vision over here has multiple options. It says enable Copilot Vision for anything on screen. So what it does is it allows you to use the shortcut and then select any content on your screen, and then you can directly ask Copilot, including on your desktop or application outside the Edge browser. So Copilot Vision allows you to uh, query the Copilot in which much more ease. Now, there are options whereby you can say enable Copilot Vision on web pages in Edge. So, if I turn this on, so what happens is like if you use a mouse gesture. So, mouse gesture is one of the feature within Microsoft Edge whereby with the help of gesture you can do various action. Like say, take for example, if I am now holding the right click button of my mouse, and if I just draw this arrow, see what happens. If I just release the mouse button, then it will switch to the left tab, which I'm not going to do. But there are options through which you can use various gestures. So if I again hold the right mouse click button and if I do a right movement, then it will switch to the right tab. So I'll just escape this out. So that's what the mouse gesture does. Now there are options to configure Copilot Vision over here. So if I click on configure Copilot Vision, then it says enable Copilot Vision for anything on screen. And also there is a shortcut to launch the Copilot Vision on screen. So let's see it in action. What does this Copilot Vision means? Okay. So we have enabled the Copilot Vision. Now, if you navigate to say any of the websites, so I'm in Microsoft website, and there are various uh, uh, items in the website. Like there is a Surface Pro 9, there are the controllers available within this website. Now, if I just hold the right click button of my mouse, and then if I just do a circle over here, then and if I release the mouse, let's see what happens. So now as you see over here, it has the Q was basically circle to Copilot, which is basically Copilot Vision. Now it has automatically taken the screenshot of it and then paste it in this prompt window. Okay, now we can ask question to Copilot. So take for example, I'll just ask what is this. So take for example, if I do not know what this item is, I'll just type what is this, and then I'll submit my request to Copilot. Copilot is going to process this image and then try to source information from various web sources and try to provide a response. Now, the response would be depending on what the Copilot finds. Now, one of the response would be like this is like a Microsoft Xbox controller. So, as you see over here, it says the image you have uploaded is of custom Xbox gaming controller. So and it gives you some more information about the device which you have selected. Like this you can initiate that conversation. So again, just to demonstrate to you further, so if I just scroll the uh, window over here, and if I want to know something about this product, what I'm going to do, I'll just do a right click Okay, I just click on right click on my mouse and then just draw this. And if you see here, the moment I draw, it says circle to Copilot, and then it will automatically take the screenshot, paste it in that chat window, and I can ask now, can you let me know the price for this? Okay, so if you want to know what is the price for this particular uh, device, which I have captured it in the image, then Copilot is going to process that image and then try to interpret the prompt and try to find the price within your local market. So I'm based out of Australia, so then it will try to find out uh, what is this device first of all, and then try to extract the price based on some retail organization. Okay, so here, as you see over here, it has started identifying that, hey, within Australia this product price is this. Okay, so like this I've got this responses, and then it will give you a direct link to various retailer website as well. Okay, so this is just an example to show you how quickly you can utilize Copilot within the application. Now, take for example, if you wanted to do this manually, then what you would have done, you would have explored the product, and if you would have sorted some more information. And now, if you navigate to this website, this is plain Microsoft website, so it will only talk about Microsoft related store. But then if you want to explore beyond that, and if you want to understand which are the different retailer which also ships this product or the services, then you can make use of this functionality. Now, if you want to do this manually, what you would have done is, like, you would have first went into the Copilot, like here, by clicking on the Copilot icon, and then clicked on New Topic, and then maybe you might have clicked on Add an Image, or you would have taken a screenshot. So add a screenshot, and then you have actually taken the screenshot, and then once you click on Done, then it would have come over here. So instead of that, there is a shortcut through which you can just do a right click and then circle that particular image, and then try to extract more semantic information using Copilot. So this is how you basically use the Edge Copilot version. Now it is not generally available. I have told you that this is available in Canary version as of now, but maybe in the next 2 to 4 weeks you will find this in the generally available product as well. So watch out for this feature, Copilot Vision. And there are a couple of settings which you need to enable, like enable Copilot Vision for anything on screen, and if you want to use the right mouse gesture to circle any content in the Edge browser to ask for the Copilot. So that's it, folks. This is all about Copilot Vision. Thanks for watching.